Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data, back up to cloud or computer now. Once done, reboot and perform a soft reset to clear temporary glitches. This often stops flicker caused by software. Next, boot into safe mode to see if an app is the culprit. If flicker stops, you know it's software. Inspect the charging port, frame, and screen edges for visible damage, dust, or liquid. Addressing those small physical issues early saves time later. You now dig into settings, lower brightness, disable adaptive brightness, and try a different refresh rate if available, because inconsistent refresh can cause flicker. Then run built-in display diagnostics or a trusted pixel test app to reveal stuck pixels or backlight issues. Next, check battery health and CPU/GPU usage. Thermal throttling or heavy background processes can create display instability. If you use an external charger, you're at the final stage. If software fixes failed, update the OS and, as a last software option, reinstall or factory reset after confirming your backup. For hardware, reseating the display connector or replacing the screen assembly often cures persistent flicker. Proceed only if you're comfortable with delicate parts. Otherwise, take it to a certified technician who can test and replace the backlight, LCD/OLED panel, or display controller. If things go wrong, the key troubleshooting tip: restore your backup and stop further teardown to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.